We get our first look of what could be OnePlus's new 5G device, and it looks interesting. According to some patents, iPhones could be getting touch-sensitive back panels and other functionality, and Huawei is about to reach a milestone in sales that might even leave Samsung behind by next year. I'm Jaime Rivera, and according to Diego, I need to get some better recommendations for Netflix shows in the comments. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by the Huawei Matebook X Pro. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for iPads, I highly recommend you visit Amazon, particularly because if you watch my iPad Pro review, I told you this tablet is overkill. You'd probably be just fine with that entry-level iPad, and it's currently $229 for the 32 gig model, $329 for the 128 gig. That is crazy. Now let's talk about Honor, as I was not really aware that the company had launched a recent Honor Magic smartwatch that pretty much looks like the Huawei Watch GT, and that's all great. I like the design, but it seems the company's not done there. It seems the company's partnering with MediaTek to work on a wearable, and for my recent trip to MediaTek, I even wasn't aware that they manufactured the processor for the Polar M600, which is my favorite Android Wear fitness smartwatch. So yeah, interesting. And speaking of Huawei, let's talk about sales. I mean, the company stated something bold mid this year where they claimed that they were going to defeat Apple in smartphone sales. That's pretty much about to happen. 200 million units, according to the company, are going to be reached by December 25th. And the rumors are that there will be a special edition smartphone, which is really the reason why I'm covering the news. What special edition are we getting? I can't wait to see. And speaking of Apple, those of you that are waiting for AirPower, we have a full video with alternatives to AirPower because we've been waiting for that for the longest time. But we've got some patents that pretty much confirm that AirPower is coming. And another thing is another patent where it seems that Apple wants to use the glass back for you to be able to scroll your phone through the back. Which will not work if you're using a case, and you'll have to because that phone is really fragile. But anyways. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with OnePlus and speculation, as there's a leaked photo from a very famous tipster that shows us Pete Lau in a conference room holding a phone that's also being presented in the presentation, and it looks like a future OnePlus device. And according to the tipster, this could be the 5G variant. Whatever the case may be, I'm not saying that I know anything. If this is the final design of the OnePlus 7, I'm gonna say it looks really cool. Let us know in the comments. I mean, do you like what you see? I mean, a rounded camera hump. I actually think it looks really cool, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you think. And folks, before we end this video, we would love to thank the Huawei Matebook X Pro for making today's content possible. It's no secret that many of us have praised this as one of the best laptops of 2018. It's hard to beat its gorgeous and sleek Ultrabook design, a fantastic 3K display with the high screen-to-body ratio on a laptop at 91%, powerful performance with options for discrete graphics, 15 hours of battery life, Windows 10 Signature Edition, and the list just goes on. Follow the link in the description below to learn more about the Huawei Matebook X Pro. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.